Oh.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, bang. Where's the hard one hand?
Hand. One hand. Breathe out when you shoot. Go.
Okay, whenever ready.
Baby.
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my god, it's so scary loud. Here you go. Can I wear my sunglasses instead of these?
Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to wear.
Ew, those were so
You think they're like some special plastic or something?
I don't know. I've never had to wear those. Wait, why down?
Say cheese. Nigga, what?
There might be a second.
McLovin.
He put on his nipples.
Hey, baby. Say cheese.
It's not hitting the target.
What's up, Lisa?
By herself?
Be careful.
Wait, stay in that pose.
Pull the trigger. Never, always point the gun down.
Sorry.
Never turn around with the gun.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Can I do it again?
Yeah, hold on. Let me cock it.
No. Okay.
Shoot it.
Hold it hard.
Shoot it. Yeah, let's see. You get the picture?
Yeah, I did. Careful!
There?
Oh, sorry. Most accident-prone man in the world holding a gun.